Here it is, we are unboxing the EinScan Libre standalone wireless 3D scanner. Inside the box, you will find the EinScan Libre scanner, 2 batteries, battery charging case, a scale bar adapter, quick start guide and essential accessories, and calibration kit, including 6 calibration board to get started. Let's check out this beast. 2 different IR projectors being used with these 2 wide-range cameras for fast and outdoor scanning. 3 narrow-range cameras working with the blue laser emitter provide markers, free and fine detail scanning experience. And of course, texture camera now is 48 megapixel. The USB-C is for charging and all interface can be used for data transfer. Yes, it is completely wireless, making it perfect for mobile use. To power on, press the button for 2 seconds. Once logged in, you will access the home page, ready for scanning. That's your quick look at the EinScan Libre. Stay tuned for more tips.